Alright, welcome back to the channel, and today we are working on a Stihl weed eater. It's an FS45, and the problem is it doesn't want to stay running very good because the carburetor is all plugged up from old gas. So, thanks to hypa.com, I was able to get a complete brand new carburetor, air filter, fuel line, all that good stuff, to replace the old stuff. So instead of rebuilding the carburetor, I just got a whole brand new one for just a couple dollars more than what a rebuild kit is. So let's get the old one removed and get the new parts put on. First thing I'm going to do, I've already got the pull start cover removed. That just was 3 bolts holding that on. Next thing will be to take the fuel tank loose so that I can get the fuel lines out. Actually, to get to the fuel lines on the back side of the carburetor up here, I'm just going to take the air filter cover off. Here's the old dirty air filter. Got a brand new one in the kit, so we'll throw this one away. And we got some little tiny bolts to take out there. Alright, these are 8mm nuts to remove. And the cover comes off. I'll be sure to clean all that stuff out before I put it back on. And now we can get to the fuel lines. Let me get my pliers. Fuel tank's off. Then we got the carburetor, which it just slides right off, and the throttle pin just pops right out of it. Old gasket came with it. That's good. And here's the brand new carburetor. Even came with an extra primer bulb. And the new primer bulb is already installed. And you've got 2 brand new gaskets, an air filter, and a spark plug. Let's see, what we're going to need here will be this gasket. Make sure the one that has the holes goes against the manifold. Slide the pin in place. This goes up above here. put this gasket on the outside. And before I put the housing thing on, I'm going to put the new fuel line and filter on the fuel tank. Just like so. There it is, ready to get put back on the machine. All right. Just reattach the fuel lines. That one goes there. That one goes there. And now I'll get this all cleaned up and get it put on. Alright, let's get this air filter housing put back on. Get the gasket in place. Alright. The new air filter. And now all we gotta do is put the housing back on. That was in place with 3 bolts, Torx head bolts. Alright, that's all backed and secured. Now we'll just go ahead and replace the spark plug. Alright, let's give it a try, see how it's going to work. Got some fresh gas in it. Give it a choke. Turned on. Oops. stroke it some more. And there we go. Just like that. Didn't even have to do any adjustments to it. Brand new carburetor, fuel filter, fuel line, air filter, spark plug. And this thing is ready to work all summer long. Thanks to the help of hypa.com. I'll be leaving a link in the description for the part number for the kit that I got for one of these. They've got all kinds of carburetors and fuel line, air filters, chainsaw blades, all kinds of stuff for small engines. So if you need something, be sure to go there and get one, because their prices are a lot cheaper than anywhere else. Super fast shipping. I got this within 2 days. And you can fix things yourself. No longer having to take it to a shop to pay a ridiculous price when you can repair things yourself. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.